Hey viewers, welcome back to the Quiz Mania. In today's quiz, we present you Guess the Snacks by Emoji. Are you ready? Don't forget to subscribe and keep supporting us for more amazing quizzes. So roll the intro. Round 1. Let's start with easy one. Can you guess this snack? The correct answer is Fritos. Round 2. What about this one? Answer is Cheetos. Round 3. Which snack is this? Correct answer is nuggets. Round 4. Do you know this emoji? Answer is planters. Round 5. Guess the emoji. Correct answer is animal crackers. Round 6. What do you think? Answer is Butterfinger. Round 7. This one is easy, right? Yes, correct answer is M&Ms. Round 8. Which snack is this? This is frozen yogurt. Round 9. Can you guess this snack by emoji? Answer is Cheerios. Round 10. This is simple. Yes, answer is zebra cake. Round 11. I think I know this snack. Yes, this is popcorn. Round 12. Do you know this snack? It's chickpeas. Round 13. What do you think about this emoji? Correct answer is goldfish. Round 14. Do you know this emoji? This is gummy bear. Round 15. What do you think? Answer is chocolate chip cookies. Round 16. What about this snack? Answer is Milky Way. Round 17. This snack is easy one, right? Yes, this is Kit Kat. Round 18. Guess these emojis. This is Hershey's. Round 19. I think everyone can guess this snack emoji. The correct answer is Starburst. Round 20. Can you guess the emoji? Correct answer is onion rings. Round 21. What do you think? The correct answer is Doritos. Round 22. What about this one? Answer is popcorn. Round 23. This is so simple. Correct answer is Sun Chips. Round 24. Which snack emoji is this? This is Cheez-It. Round 25. Do you know this snack emoji? It's Snickers. Round 26. Any guesses, which snack is this? This is Pringles. Round 27. What do you think? The correct answer is Tostitos. Round 28. What about this one? Answer is jelly beans. Round 29. Can you guess the emoji? Correct answer is combos. Round 30. And the last snack, guess the emoji. Answer is donuts. You completed the quiz, so how many got all correct? Comments down below and don't forget to subscribe and keep supporting us for more amazing quizzes. See you in the next amazing quiz. Goodbye.